Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with an 8x8 inch canvas. I've already put a puddle of paint on spread around on my canvas, and I'm going to attempt to do some bloom racks, deconstructed, or whatever you want to call them. That's some Mayan gold, that's a Prizm pour. Look for the 20% off Colourarte coupon code underneath the video. That's some saffron, also a Prizm pour. This is from the new Fairy Tales collection. This is Magic Slippers. This is Primary Elements. That I actually want to take the tab out of the top a little bit better. And I'm trying to restrain myself on colors, but it's really hard. I've got some Chantilly Lace, which is a Prizm pour, with some Prussian Violet, which I believe is another Prizm pour. But it's not coming out. But I'd like it to come out. Very sparkly. This is a little bit of... I think I'm going to go with another Fairy Tales Primary Element Burmese Red. And I usually stack my colors, but for some reason this time I'm not feeling like it. This is called Amethyst Queen. It's another Fairy Tales Primary Element. I'm trying to put them away as I go along. This is Custom Plum Blossom, which is very similar to, it's a pale purple, and the original is a Primary Element if you're looking for it. I've got an interest in a little bit of Midnight Shadow Prizm pour. And since it's right here in my hand, I'm going to go for some Wild Orchid. Something is calling me desperately to the Royal Sapphire. And one last hit of Jasmine, Primary Element. I've got an Indigo Violet, but it was, I used the, yeah, I'll still use it. Indigo Violet, Prizm pour. And the last time I tried to do this, I did it with a straw, and I wasn't as pleased with my results. It helps if your cell activator bottle is open, and it was a moment ago, but it will be again in a second. There we go, perfect. You know what? I like that saffron so much, I'm going to put some more in there. I have to learn not to blow so hard. I know what it sounds like, I said. I like everything I've got. I don't want it to disappear. Instead of a skewer, I have been using, oh, that's pretty. Using a knitting needle. And I think I am going to grab one of my palette knives and take with the colors that have already seeped over the side and attempt to use them. Which I was like, may or may not work. And I'm concerned with that right there. That's going to be a problem for me. Because I know once I blow it out, it will expand. So this is plugged, and this is what I want. This is sour lemon. With a little bit of orange crush in it. And I shouldn't have used my knitting needle because now I'm going to paint on my fingers. It's still going to be pretty cool though. Do a little more wrecking. Put the odd spiral in. I hadn't been putting spirals in, but I just started. Get this out of here so I can clean the tip in a minute. I'm not used to working with the 8 by 8 inch canvases. They don't spin out as fast, but that's pretty. So I'm not unhappy at all. I want to say thank you guys for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted and I really appreciate them. Thank you to those of you who have joined the membership and who are enjoying more than 110 videos in the members only library. And thank you for everyone who uses the PayPal icon to make a donation that's on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. I'm happy with that. And I've got some beautiful paint right there. And I think I'm going to add it to that edge. Everything else is covered. And I think I'm ready to go. This may be the painting for my friend that I've been thinking I was going to make. That is just gorgeous. Wow. And that one little thing that looks like a spiral should be a spiral. That's got to go. Big chip of white paint right in the painting. And one little spiral. Hopefully that's not too kitschy. I'm going to zoom in. Tell you guys I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. Hope you check on my link tree. Look for the 20% off Colourarte coupon code. Let me zoom right in. That's it. I thought that was the anticlimactic. I thought it was going to be more of a zoom than that. But I'll go back down and I'm happy with my colors. I'm happy with everything with that actually. Except for where that chip dropped. But if you can see that sparkle, that's something else. Alright, I see one place that's kind of bugging me. And I'm just going to change it a little bit. I will torch briefly and I will look for bubbles with my skewer or my knitting needle. Tell you guys I love you again. On the link tree you'll find spring clothing. Below the video you'll find spring clothing. On the link tree you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist, Fluid Art Studio, Appreciation Group, a couple of web pages, Society 6, The Gallerist, Twitter. Whatever I missed. Whatever I missed. Hey, I do sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you'd like to contact me, please feel free to use my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I love you guys. I think I mentioned you inspire the heck out of me. Whatever I'm forgetting, I'll tell you. Oh, 10:15. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I have 29 lists of 100 videos, and they're all organized by topic and genre. So if you ever need a link, just make a mention that you like a certain genre and I will include a link when I see your comment. Alright, I'm going to try and zoom out again. Hey, it worked. Wow, it doesn't always work that often. All right, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. One more sparkle. I love those cells. I love the sparkle too. That Chantilly Lace is the bomb. All right, you guys. Bye for now. I'll see you on Priscilla out.